Thorne Moors is home to an array of butterflies that search the peatlands for food and a mate. From green-veined whites to skippers, and ringlets to small coppers, all fluttering about the moors on a mission to survive and reproduce. Most of the butterflies found on the moors are found in many other habitats around the UK, but there is one that's very special, one that starts its journey as an egg on hairstail cottongrass. The larvae feed on the leaves from July to September and hibernate until March the following year, re-emerging as a large green caterpillar that's harder to find than you'd think. In April or May, the caterpillar pupates and emerges as the wonderful Large Heath Butterfly in late May. As a single-generation species, the Large Heath has just 2 months to successfully reproduce for the next season. Cold and wet summers can make it very difficult for the Large Heath to fly and find a mate, as well as the historic destruction of peatlands which has severely restricted the habitat that this butterfly calls home. The LIFE Moor Space project can't control the weather, but we are undertaking an ambitious programme of peatland restoration and cotton grass planting to improve what's left of the Large Heath's home.